हाय गाइस, तो क्या आप भी फ्रीलांसिंग सीखना चाहते हो? देखिए, फ्रीलांसिंग का बहुत ही बड़ा स्कोप है, तो मैं तो डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड करूँगा कि आपके पास एक एक स्किल तो होना ही चाहिए जिस पर आप फ्रीलांसिंग कर सकते हैं, ताकि आप जब भी आपको लेज़र टाइम के अलावा और भी फ्री टाइम मिल जाए, मतलब लेज़र तो बहुत ज़रूरी है ना, लेकिन उससे भी ज़्यादा अगर आपको बोरिंग फील हो रहा है, कभी टाइम नहीं पास हो रहा है, मतलब तब एटलीस्ट अगर आपके पास स्किल हो, तब क्या उस टाइम को और उस स्किल को काम में लगा सकते हैं आप, और उससे आपका इनकम जनरेट होगी। तो ऑब्वियसली फ्रीलांसिंग देयर इज a lots of scope. You just learn at least one skill, at least one. So what is that skill? That skill may be so many skills, right? So I usually belongs to the I am digital marketing, right? My digital marketing is my favorite, and I am practicing content writing as a freelancing career. Okay, so I would recommend you the digital marketing. The scope is increasing day by day. The future is very bright, I think. So you should consider digital marketing. So under digital marketing, lots of skills is required. Digital marketing is a huge thing, right? Just all things are digital today, and you need to have, if you have website building skill, if you have coding skill, if you have content writing skill, if you have video making and video editing skill, if you have photoshop skills, these types of which are mainly related to digital skills, I said digital skill. So that field or that topic or that subject or that skill would be very very beneficial to give you or to make you a successful freelancer. So you can become a email marketer, affiliate marketer, but the these are the advanced level of freelancing. What I try to mean by that, SEO, you can learn SEO, but these are the advanced level affiliate marketing. These are the uh, advanced level of freelancing, right? You will earn money when you will sleep. Affiliate marketing, the concept of affiliate marketing is like this: you will earn money when even you sleep. So I will discuss later about in detail, but I am just giving you a basic that why should you learn a digital skill. At least one digital skill you should have along with or side by side your traditional degree, okay, that our university gives. But freelancing, it's a very good scope, and you just need minimum 3 to 6 months, and you will learn at least one skill in this, that you can monetize. You have earned a degree. I hope you have earned a degree, and it's a graduate degree, but I am pretty sure that you cannot monetize that degree unless and until you get a job, or if say the traditional kind of freelancing, that is the private tutoring. Okay, so this is the basic thing. But if we have a skill like how to social media marketing, these types of skills are there in the market, their demand is very high. So you will first what will happen, you will be able to market yourself. First work within you, then first work for you, and when you achieve the success, others will hire you, right, to do their work in exchange of money. That is the funda of business, right? Business. So why should a business will hire you as a freelancer if you are not successful, if you are not enough skilled in the field you demand as a skilled, if you can't able to show them that you have done this kind of works, you have got success from in this field, then nobody will hire you. So just learn a skill, apply it on you, work for you, get some progress that can be that you can show or share with the others, that success, that achievement, that yes, I have achieved this, I can show you, I can do you, so that you can gain the trust from the client or customers, and then your freelancing journey will start. So this is the basic funda. There are so many skills. Due course of time, as I got time, I will share with proper research that how you can build a freelancing career, which courses, etc. But still, if you search on the internet, you will get lots of materials available on these topics. Okay, but what happens? People thinks that this is the difference of mindset. People thinks that no, this cannot happen, we cannot earn money online, this is not easy. Okay, but no, the fact is not that. Yes, obviously it is easy, it can be learned by anyone. Yes, you need not to have even a degree to learn a freelancing or digital skill, at least for today. I think if you can watch this video, if you are watching this video, you are listening my voice, obviously at least you have a mobile phone and you have internet connection, and these two things are needed. Only these two things are needed to work online, to work as a freelancer, and that's it. You can earn money. Your mobile will be converted as a money making machine. This won't remain just for entertainment purpose. Mobile is not for entertainment purpose only today. Okay, what usually very young minds think, yeah, mobile, I can learn something new, I can watch funny videos, etc. I can connect with my friends, but beyond that, mobile, just a mobile, yeah, 5k, a mobile of 5,000 can give you a income triple of that amount. So finally, mobile can be you can convert. That need skills to convert your mobile into a money making machine. It demands skills. So that's it. Thank you, friends. Go on the internet, explore. First explore your interest. In what are you interested? What work you can do the best? What work you love? At first, if you don't love your work, if you don't like your work, you cannot and that work. So first discover your interest, then invest your time and your dedication, and if possible some amount of money. If you can afford, then you can purchase paid courses. Already I don't recommend paid courses because so many materials are available there in the internet. If you use them efficiently, they are more than sufficient and almost equivalent to any paid courses. Although I have never did or done any paid course till today to learn freelancing skill, but almost I have earned a decent amount of money side by side with my studies. I have earned a decent amount of money by doing freelancing. So I don't recommend you to buy course, but obviously you can go for paid courses. Obviously there would be something new, there would be something more secret, right? But this is obviously your choice, and obviously that's, I am not saying that I did not purchase any course till today, but obviously in future I may buy it, okay, because I am earning some money. So I obviously I will possess some money, and then I can invest on a course, then I will learn more. So that's it. But at initial phase, just first explore your interest, use the free resources. Let's check it that free resources in actually worth that or not. Can you use that? If you use that, use it. Okay, first discover, first explore, first start, you first start. Okay, so that's it. Digital skills are very necessary today, huh? Everything will be digitized in the next coming decades. There would be no scope to escape the digital or the digitization process. Everyone must understand it, everyone must apply it, everyone should adopt it, and everyone should learn it if they want to grow, if they want to be successful in their life. Digital skill is the future. Digital is the future. Digital world is the future of coming decades. It's not far away to make the world digital. We all will remain at our home. Okay, we'll work from home. COVID has proved that. Obviously it is possible. Yeah, COVID has proved that you don't need to go outside, to go office in the earlier we used to do. We can change it, we can adopt new technologies, and we can reduce the traveling cost, time, etc. We can reduce our use of fossil fuels, right? If you don't use transport that much, then obviously we will reduce the use of fossil fuels, right? If then our environment will be more green. Okay, no, there would be no need of such high roads, etc. So obviously high roads will be needed because food digital cannot supplement or so digital cannot replace the food. We need food, and that only comes from the soil. So, and soil is everywhere, is not the soil is same. So what happens, it needs to transport from one place to another place, export import. That is important for food. At least you digitally, what do we exchange? Digitally we exchange money and the information, right? Money and information, these two things, information, knowledge, I mean these two things can be exchanged digitally. But what about others? Obviously we need physical, right? If we are, I can order a cloth online, but when it will come to me, that would obviously need transportation, manpower, right? So that's obviously needed. But digital skill is very crucial today for everyone, irrespective of if you are a student, you are a businessman, you are a common man. Even you are a common man, you need some digital skills. Otherwise you will be in some sort of trouble, right? In every situation, in banks, everyone. Even if you have a mobile phone, you have sufficient skill, then you can do banking from your home. But what happens sometimes, if you are not enough skills, there are the chances that scams often happen with you. But if you are skilled, if you are aware, if you have enough knowledge about the digital world, you can easily avoid that type of fraudulent activities, that types of losses, etc. So digital skill is very essential.